In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency for your payment forms in Jotform. Starting off, Jotform is a powerful tool that lets you create forms for various needs, including payment collection. Sometimes you might need to adjust the currency, depending on your audience or business requirements. And the good news, it's a simple process. First off, head over to the Jotform website. This is where all the magic begins. Jotform's homepage is welcoming, offering you a ride straight to the free online form builder and form creator. But before you can adjust any currency, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will bring you to a login page where you have a couple of options. If your account is connected through Google or another platform, select the appropriate option. This makes logging in seamless and keeps all your forms under one roof. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Forms. This section is essentially the heart of Jotform, where all your created forms reside. It's a good practice to regularly check back here, as it helps you keep track of responses and make necessary edits to forms. Speaking of edits, now's the time to select the form you wish to adjust the currency for. Find your desired payment form and click on Edit Form. This will launch the form builder, a space where creativity meets function. Here you'll have the power to tweak every inch of your form until it aligns perfectly with your needs. Next, direct your attention to the My Products field. It's usually in the form builder where you manage payment items or services you're offering through the form. Click on it to proceed. Now here's where you make the actual currency change. Look for the currency option under your products list. By default, it may be set to USD, United States dollars, which is standard, but the world of currency is vast and varied, just like the audience you might be catering to. Click on the displayed currency to bring up a list of available options. A plethora of currencies will be at your disposal, from euros to yen, catering to a global market. Scroll through or type in the search box to find the currency you're looking to set for your payment form. Once you've found it, click on it to select. This action will update the currency for all the payments on that specific form. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency setting for your form on Jotform. It's a straightforward process, but it opens up numerous possibilities for reaching a wider audience, or just making things simpler for your current one. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a few additional tips. Remember, changing the currency does not affect the pricing structure you've already set. It only changes the currency symbol and the currency type. So if you're adjusting prices for a different market, you'll need to update those manually. Moreover, always review your form after making such changes. Test it out by filling it out yourself to ensure everything converts and displays correctly. This ensures a smooth experience for your form users and avoids any confusion during the payment process. Changing the currency in Jotform is more than just a button click. It's about making your forms more accessible and tailored to your audience. Whether you're expanding your reach or just starting out, knowing how to fine-tune these settings can make all the difference. And there you have it, how to change the currency in Jotform, simplified. Be sure to dive in, explore, and perhaps even discover more ways to optimize your forms for your audience. And as always, keep creating fantastic forms that serve your purpose. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy form making!